Hello, my name is Michael with Kreo Motors, and today we are excited to talk about the Eonmotors Blade 10 scooter. We've been riding this thing around quite a bit, and it's really fun, and the build quality is really high. Today we're going to unbox it and talk a little bit about it. You can also go to our website for more information. So let's start unboxing and see what we got here. First thing you'll notice is it's double boxed, which we really like. It adds an extra layer of protection when it's being shipped, which we've noticed that when they're not double boxed or they're not in complete styrofoam, you get a lot of problems with shipping. So it comes with, this is everything it comes with: instruction book, the toolkit. This is the other side of the charger. Has an extra screw in there for, whatever, and a wrench, and we'll show you what the wrench is for in a little bit. And this is the other half of the charger. So, so now I'm going to pull it out, and then you get an idea of what it looks like, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here we have unboxed it. We've set the stem up. Here's the stem folding mechanism here. And we have put the handlebars on. You'll notice the handlebars are very similar to a lot of other scooters that work with this the same way. This piece just comes off. You put the handlebar in, you tighten these 4 screws. Very similar to a lot of other scooters. Also, to set it up, this light is not going to be on there. So you will undo this screw right here and put the washers in between this metal bracket, and then screw it on, and then it's ready to go. And let's just get a closer look of it. Here are your wheels, here's your deck, here's your front light, deck, rear tail lights. Here we have the rear turn signals. So to put these on, you'll stick them through this hole, and as you can see, that little nut right there, you'll take that nut right here and you'll screw it on here. Oh, let me get this video in there. It's hard to see. There we go. See this nut right there, and then you screw it on right there. So that's how you put your turn signals on. It's really easy. It comes with a wrench, but the wrench you have at home is probably better than the one it comes with. So here's the rear wheel. It uses semi-hydraulic brakes, meaning this caliper right here is hydraulic, but the rest of it is mechanical. So it's got your wire brakes going to the handles, and then the hydraulic calipers, or pistons, or whatever you want to call them. So let's go to the other side. Here's what it looks like. And that's pretty much it. We'll take a look at the top of the handlebars. Here we have let's turn it on real quick. All right, so here's your lights, and this is going to control your front lights and your side deck lights. Let's get an idea of what that looks like. And then here's your deck lights, they're red. And here are your turn signals. Let's just click the left one, and this is what it looks like. And it's got the key ignition, you got your turbo eco, you got your single dual motor, and it has this display throttle, which is very similar to a lot of the other ones. Let me think, anything else? It's got a 1,000-watt motor in the front, a 1,000-watt motor in the back, and it has a 20.8 amp hour battery. So pretty good sized battery for this size scooter. The Pro model will be coming out around November, and it's going to have even a bigger battery, but you'll have to wait for that one. If you have any questions, please let us know. Our email address is info@kreomotors.com, or you can Call or text us at 480-283-4403. Thank you.